It doesn't matter the reason why you're thinking of attending a music school. It could be business side, music side, or networking. I think any reason is pretty good and it's all gonna be worth it. You can learn anything from anybody, and the people that you're gonna meet here or anywhere in the industry is definitely gonna change your mind and will make you grow forever. I'm really thankful for my experience at MI. They gave me a lot of tools that I needed while I was studying, but also after graduating, they're still showing me a lot of support, which I will always appreciate. And I am glad and happy to see that they keep supporting emerging artists.